Well, then, welcome those of you that are here. If we have anything to talk about, let's do so. I don't see anything on the document, but I do say, Danny.
Yeah, I have this only topic about the proposal that we have for pushing Docker apps. So it has been around for some time and Tim provided some feedback, and I think that the feedback is all answered. So do you think that we can start implementing it?
All right, let's see. Oh, cool. I like it. So specifically just to bring it up and present it for people to see, or anything on that proposals board to tackle.
Well, I'm not really sure what the process should be. I mean, previously we just agreed and started working on it.
Right. I don't think the process will change that much, but yeah, it'll be a little more interesting working a bit more across all the time zones and a little ambiguity about who's working on what. But yeah, this might be something we have to develop over time.
I think that I shared a link to the proposal in the Slack channel. The only question that was asked was from Ram, but he was just worried that there might be some name clashes or something, container name clashes, username clashes, whatever. But this is not going to be the case.
Let's see.
I unfortunately haven't had a chance to really actually read through the proposal, but I was just trying to understand, like, is this, generally speaking, is this updates to the runner, the builder? Like, is it a little bit of everything?
Well, it's introducing a shortcut into the build reconciler that instead of spawning a kpack build, it just uses the Docker image in the build status in the droplet. So once you have it, there are also some minor details that we had to take care of, like introducing the Docker lifecycle type as constant in the API, stuff like this. And then it just works. As we described in the document, Kubernetes user namespace is not really much adopted. So for the first implementation, we can just deny running applications that are based on images that want to run as root. Because in Kubernetes, container root is node root, which is a security consideration. In CFO VM, we didn't have this problem because Garden supports user namespaces like lots of years ago.
Okay. That makes sense.
When user namespace gets largely adopted, which probably is not going to happen soon, because if you want to enable it, you have to have a pretty recent Kubernetes, something that I don't think is available on AWS or GCP. And then the Linux kernel that nodes run on has to be pretty recent, like 6.3. Latest Ubuntu, which is 23.04, runs on 6.2. So yeah, I don't see user namespace supporting Kubernetes being a thing for some time.
Yeah, if it's brand new, we probably won't see it mainstream for at least 3 to 6 months. So I'm just looking at the proposal right now.
If you want to, you can take the time to have a look at it offline and share your thoughts.
Yeah, I'll
But I
probably
think
go
that
through.
we should get it going because it's been there around for some time.
Yeah,
Let's implement it while we have the context.
Yeah, I'll go through it today and definitely leave any comments, but looks like it's fairly fleshed out, so I don't see any blockers on that. And if, as you said, if we have the context, it might be worthwhile to at least take an initial pass at it.
Sorry, I just joined. Did my comment on the doc around the port stuff make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I think we have some ideas. I think that's something we can like build on, like start with 8080 and then build on later to support more images. But we about a year and a half ago we were going down that road and backtracked because it didn't help build pack apps at all. But I think there's still some context there that folks have.
Yeah, probably best not to lose the context completely. So
We should, when implementing this, focus on propagating meaningful errors to the users, because there are quite a lot of Docker images out there that either run in different port or just run as root. We have to make it very clear to the CF/CLI rather than push just timeouting.
yeah, definitely makes sense. Like I said, I don't see any big blockers to taking an initial pass at it and seeing what we find. Any other big concerns, thoughts? All right. Then I'll like I said, I'll give it a good read today and leave any comments that I think are relevant, but it looks good. So let's say anyone that's tackling it, go for it. All right. I don't see any other topics popping up. So unless someone has a concern, this might be a really quick meeting, but we can give people time back and then meet up again in 2 weeks. Oh, sorry, Eric, I didn't see your note. Thank you for jumping in and writing some notes.
Yeah, I mean, I just noted that we talked about the Docker proposal. If somebody else wants to link in the document, that'd be great.
Let's see. Let's grab it. We're seeing the general document in the group chat. Ron, if you do have a link later for that, the live stream or the recording of it, please post it in the Slack channel. And
I will
add it
absolutely
to the document, like post hoc.
Sure.
Perfect. Awesome. And yeah, I'll link in the Docker proposal. I'll add it to the notes after this meeting. Cool. All right, everyone. Well, unless there are other pressing concerns, we'll let you all go for now, and we'll see y'all in 2 weeks.
Cool. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks.